Universal Technical Institute's campus in Bloomfield, New Jersey, is a state-of-the-industry technical school that offers online instructor-led training with hands-on application in the lab, helping to prepare students for in-demand careers in the skilled trades. There are 3 core programs offered: automotive, diesel, and welding. Instructors equipped with real-world experience provide students with hands-on training using the tools and technology that are currently found in the field.
Being an instructor at UTI means a lot. We hold the highest standards for all of our students. We have a really good curriculum. I wouldn't pick any other school to be an instructor at.
All 3 programs give students a foundational knowledge that can be applied to an entry-level position after graduation.
I think the leading cause and why I got into this industry was purely when I was in high school. I got into cars and I started liking cars a lot. When I found out about UTI, I thought it was a good bet of education in terms of the automotive industry. I went to UTI, I graduated, I completed the courses, and the employment services over there helped me get a job over here, and here I am now.
Students who have completed their automotive technology training are also eligible to enroll in the Ford Accelerated Credential Training Program, or FACT. Students in the 15-week specialized training program receive credentials that translate to Ford specialty certifications, which can help graduates when they're applying to jobs within the Ford and Lincoln dealer network. After completing training, graduates can apply for opportunities throughout New Jersey. UTI Bloomfield prides itself in helping to prepare students for a career in the skilled trades. Another great benefit to the campus is its proximity to New York City, which can be reached by taking a short drive or train ride. UTI Bloomfield has a lot to offer.
So New York City is not that far from us, and us being a metro campus just gives our graduates a lot of opportunities pretty close from home, and they don't have to travel super far to certain jobs like they would in other states possibly.
Students can enjoy state-of-the-industry training at a location that allows them to maintain a great work-life balance.
The education that I took from UTI, it means a lot. I want to go somewhere where I can apply my knowledge, where I can advance my knowledge as well. In my upcoming career, what I'm mostly excited about is being able to work for a great company and to further be able to provide for my family.
Be sure to click the links in the description to learn more about the UTI Bloomfield campus and how you can get trained in less than a year for a career you're passionate about.